Southern street beat. Shook.
Keep your seatbelt on every time you drive. Now that beat folk gone, stay road forward, took his life. And I'm wondering why sometimes I can't sleep at night. Seeing him in my dreams, man, it really freaks me out. And I wonder why sometimes I don't believe it. Why this happened to my dog, Lord, there was no reason. Calling your cell phone, no pick up, instead of it ringing. Christ, I love you, and never you wanna keep on breathing. It was December 27th, State Road 40 out by Buckskin Road. On our way to a performance, had a rude incoming. A car accident, me and B folk along with J Wash straight flip. Overcorrected a turn, plus me speeding down the highway in an SUV top.
Heavy doing 90.
Yeah, I turn around, look up, we getting ejected from the window. We hit downfield like a pass from Tebow. J Wash still stuck in the back, and he's trapped in a hurricane rolling down the street, shooting glass from the floor to the roof. Now he climbing out the back, bust around the side to find two bodies in the grass. One's good, one's not. This is not the time to laugh and chop again, but it's too late. Folk already passed, and I'm on the ground. Almost, they telling me relax on a mask, stretch it up, heading to the E-back. Stay alert, stay y'all. Be careful when you drive. Buckle up, so race the rushing and running the lights.
Buckle up.
Remember to always check twice and make sure your seatbelt on before you turn it on. Seatbelt on every time you drive. Now that beat folk gone, stay road forward, took his life. And I'm wondering why sometimes I can't sleep at night. Seeing him in my dreams, man, it really freaks me out. And I wonder why sometimes I don't believe it. Why this happened to my dog, Lord, there was no reason. Calling your cell phone, no pick up, instead of it ringing. Christ, I love you to death, and you wanna keep on breathing. Buckle up, keep your seatbelt on.